Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS VPC security groups for VPS traffic. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard. Select Security Groups from the left sidebar. Click on the Create Security Group button. Enter a meaningful name for your security group. Add a description that outlines its purpose. Choose the VPC you will use this security group with. Next, configure the inbound rules for your security group. Click on Add Rule to specify traffic types. For example, select HTTP to allow web traffic. You can specify the source as anywhere or restrict it to specific IPs. If you need to allow SSH access, add another rule. Choose SSH and set the source to your IP address for security. Now, move on to outbound rules. By default, outbound rules allow all traffic. If you need to restrict outbound traffic, click Edit Outbound Rules. Add rules as needed, specifying the destination and allowed ports. Once all rules are configured, click the Create Security Group button. Take note of the security group ID generated. Next, navigate to your EC2 instances or the VPS service you're using. Select the instance you want to associate with the new security group. In the instance details, find the Security Groups section. Click on the Edit button to modify the attached security groups. Search for the newly created security group by name or ID. Select it to associate it with the instance. Click on Save to apply changes. At this point, your AWS VPC security group is set up to manage VPS traffic. Test the configuration by attempting to connect to your VPS. Ensure that the configured rules work as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.